Guys, today I will show you how to fix DeepSeek app email code not receiving. So the solution is very easy. Just follow and watch this video till the end. So you don't need to open your DeepSeek app. Directly open the settings of your device. Click next at apps option and search for DeepSeek, and you need to click on it when you will find it. So here you're gonna see this list of options. Scroll it down, click on storage, click clear cache and back. Click right now at force stop here, click OK. So after that, go open your your Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone, and search for DeepSeek. If you found the update button, you have to update it. If you didn't find it, just uninstall the app and install it again. And after that, restart your phone and your problem will be solved. Guys, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and